In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Roshade in Roblox to make your game look way better than default. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually close out of Roblox and open up a web browser of your choice and go to roshade.com. From here, you're going to want to hit download Roshade and you're going to see a free option and a paid option. In this case, I'm going to use a free one because honestly, the free one is enough, but you are feeling generous, go pro. It's going to support the developers, but obviously you don't have to. Hit download on the free one, hit download again. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to want to wait 5 seconds. Don't click anything on this page. It is an ad page here. Just wait for the countdown to count down up here and select skip. And from here, it's going to automatically begin downloading. From here, run that setup file. It's going to look something like this. Hit install. And by default, it is going to be F8 to toggle the shaders on and off, and then it's going to be F7 to close it. Keep that in mind, but you can change your settings there. And from here, you can also change the specific presets. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to keep the default ones on because I think they look nice. But F7 is going to open up those settings, so if you do want to change them at any time, you're able to. You could set presets like low, medium, high, glossy, or very glossy to test them out. And when you are ready, essentially go ahead and open up Roblox again. Select whatever game you would like. Let's just, I guess, do this one right here just cause. And when you do get loaded in, simply hit F8 and it's going to toggle those shaders on. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. You can also tweak individual effects too, like bloom, vigilante, and color grading, but don't overdo it or your PC might start sweating harder and harder. Make sure you can run it, of course. But that's it. Once again, install it, toggle it with F8, customize it with F7, and enjoy Roblox actually looking good. Before you do leave this video, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox content just like this. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.